Morning. Governor Newsom stirring things up when it comes to the gun control debate. The governor proposing a new 28th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution. Now, this new amendment proposal would tackle gun reform in a way that he claims will get bipartisan support.
This would, of course, affect the entire country when it comes to gun control. This morning, we're now joined by Clark Kelso, a professor of law at University of the Pacific. Thank you so much for joining us to help us break this all down. So first, this is a rare event. Can you explain the process of how adding an amendment would work?
Sure, this is a rare process. It is a situation where a state can propose to Congress a constitutional convention on a particular topic, and then you have to see if you can get 33 states, 2/3 of the states, to join in that call. And if 33 states join in a call for a constitutional convention, then the convention takes place. After the convention, if that's successful, well, then you'd have to have 38 states approve any actual amendment. So it's a difficult process, and it has never been successfully completed in our history.
So again, this sounds daunting. So is Governor Newsom going about seeking nationwide change in the right way, in your opinion?
I think he probably is. The United States Supreme Court's interpretations of the Second Amendment that protect gun rights make it very difficult, if not impossible, to get strict gun regulation. And I think Governor Newsom is recognizing that the only way you're going to get effective gun regulation is through a constitutional amendment.
Of course, there are a lot of challenges ahead. Let's say this amendment passes despite so many states being run by Republicans. Talk about some legal challenges that we could face along that road.
Oh, there are all sorts of unanswered questions about the constitutional convention process, because again, it's never been successfully completed. So there would be challenges along the way about whether other states have actually agreed with this proposal. There are questions about whether Congress would actually have to call a convention if you had 33 states asking for it. So there are plenty of legal issues to contemplate as this moves forward.
Yeah, again, this is a very fluid process. But hypothetically, timeline-wise, what would it actually take, or what would it look like for something like this to actually come together, assuming it starts getting through all the checks and balances?
I think the answer is there'd have to be the political will in 33 states. And certainly what the governor, I think you look at the proposal, it puts forward very popular types of gun regulation, raising the purchase age to 21. Universal background checks, reasonable waiting period. Those are very popular gun control measures. He also adds in an assault weapons ban. Still popular, not as popular as the first three. And I think what the governor is essentially expressing is his belief that public support and demands for fixing the gun problem will cause other state legislatures to follow his lead.
Well, we shall see what happens. A lot of moving parts. We know that this is really the first step of many. Professor Kelso, thank you so much for joining us and helping us break down all the smaller details in this. We appreciate it.
My pleasure.